Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn your iPhone 17 into a Wi-Fi hotspot. If you want to share your mobile data from your iPhone 17 to any other device, then you can simply go to settings and then go to Personal Hotspot. Now you can enable it and you'll see your Wi-Fi password here. By default it's randomly generated, but you can of course change it by clicking on it and then typing in your new password. Then approving. It has to have at least 8 digits, and then you can enable allow others to join, and then if any other person that's around you goes into your into their settings, into their Wi-Fi settings, and then they all see your iPhone on the list. You can see right here, this is the name of the device. So my device, as it turns out, is named just iPhone, so I will connect to that. You can see now I am connected, and it displays it on my dynamic island, so I can click on it in order to return to settings pretty quickly to, for example, disable it. But you can see if you'd like to change the name of your hotspot, if you go to General, then About, just change the name of your device here at the top. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.